Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to solve the speaker problem on the Vivo Y200. Now first of all, just check your smartphone speakers if they are not blocked by any dust or debris. Just like that. And once you have done that, just open the settings app. Now just scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now just scroll down and make sure you enable audio boost. Now once you enable this feature, and if you increase the volume of your smartphone, you can see that it will go up to 300%. Just like that. Now as you can see, if you disable this feature, your smartphone's volume limit will go to normal. Just like that. And this is how you can solve the speaker problem on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.